Hey people, welcome back. What is Google BigQuery? Google BigQuery is an enterprise data warehouse or tool or product of Google Cloud. It is fully managed and serverless. You do not have to manage anything or install any tool. You only need to focus on analyzing the data. If you work on bulky datasets, then storing and analyzing these data can be expensive and inefficient without proper hardware and infrastructure support. If this is the case, Google BigQuery is a great tool which solves the purpose of storing and analyzing the massive and rapidly growing data. It can store gigabytes, terabytes, or even petabytes of data. Google BigQuery is one of the best tools for big data analysis as well, and you will have multiple ways to perform the large-scale data analysis. Google BigQuery has access mechanism using which you can decide whom to give access to your data and what level of access to give. So multiple team members can use, analyze, and edit the data depending on their role. Using identity and access management of Google BigQuery, you can grant read or write access to an individual, team, or group. Alright, let's talk about three primary parts of Google BigQuery. There are three primary parts involved in Google BigQuery. These are storage, ingestion, and querying. Data is stored in a structured table so that it is easier for you to use the standard SQL to query the data. You can upload the data in multiple ways like Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, local computer, Google Cloud, Big Table, etc. So this is called as ingestion. Let's come to the querying part. And Google BigQuery uses SQL to query and analyze your data. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which is used to query the data which is stored in Relational Database Management System. We will master SQL using BigQuery tool in this particular course. So that's it in this video. Take care. Bye.